Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Lacto Calamine Sunscreen. This sunscreen has SPF 50 and rating of PA+++. It has a broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection. The price of this product is 349 rupees for 50 grams of quantity. However, it's always available at a good discount on Amazon. This sunscreen comes in a tube packaging with a flip open cap. So here is the complete list of ingredients of the sunscreen. Okay, this is a chemical sunscreen and these are all of the filters that they have used in this sunscreen. These are all of their moisturizing ingredients that they have added in the sunscreen. These are some of the viscosity controlling ingredients. These are the preservatives that they have used. It contains diazolidinyl urea, which is a formaldehyde releasing preservative. A lot of people are not comfortable with this particular ingredient or any other ingredient that are formaldehyde releasing. So in case you are one of those people, then you can skip this one. It also has synthetic fragrance along with another perfuming ingredient, and these are some of the colorants that they have added. The texture of this sunscreen is very similar to the Lacto Calamine lotion. It has a pink tint as they have added colorants as well in this sunscreen. So it has this lotiony texture. It is very easy to apply and blend it in properly. While applying the product, it does give a little bit of white cast appearance, but once you blend it in properly, then the white cast goes away. It is very lightweight in texture. When I apply it on the skin, it gives a little bit of a dewy finish. So this is a very lightweight sunscreen. It is non-greasy. It does not feel heavy. I have oily acne prone skin and I usually avoid leave-on products that contains perfume and synthetic fragrance in them. But since the sunscreen is so popular these days, I wanted to try and review and see if it works for me, and surprisingly it did not cause me any sort of irritation or allergic reaction, which usually happens to me with a lot of products that contain synthetic fragrance. So this is a chemical sunscreen and the price is quite affordable as compared to a lot of other products available in the market. So I have used this sunscreen along with a moisturizer and also without a moisturizer, and I did not feel any difference. If you have dry skin and if your skin feels dry while using the sunscreen, make sure you use a lightweight moisturizer underneath so that your skin is fully moisturized, because it does contain a few emollients which are hydrating, but it may not be sufficient for dry skin or combination skin type people. So make sure that you use a lightweight moisturizer underneath. Another important thing is that because it is tinted, it has that pinkish tint to it, so it is very important to double cleanse in order to remove the sunscreen properly, or else it wouldn't break down properly with a regular face cleanser. A regular face cleanser is not able to break it down properly, so make sure that you double cleanse to avoid any sort of breakouts. The only cons that I felt was that it contains one ingredient that is formaldehyde releasing. A lot of people are not comfortable using products containing these kind of ingredients. Second thing is it contains a few ingredients that are known to be comedogenic and higher on the irritancy rate, but it did not irritate my skin. So you can check if you have used these ingredients in some other products, and if it has worked for you, then you can give this product a try. When it comes to the sunscreen factor, it does feel that it is working effectively because it doesn't cause any burning sensation after applying the sunscreen. So these are my overall thoughts about this Lacto Calamine sunscreen. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more such skincare reviews, for hair care reviews and some makeup tutorials, and you'll find a lot of these videos in the description box below. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.